Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya and today I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be really exciting and also it's related to your health. So I'm really excited. Also it's especially for women. So all the women out there, it's for you. So let's get started with today's video. Okay, so I don't need to tell you guys that we all have started becoming more health conscious these days. Pandemic is one of the most important reason for that, and there are many other reasons that are contributing. Lockdown has given us ample of time to have a look at our health, to really think about ourselves, which we might have missed if we were in a normal routine life. So yeah, in one of my previous video I did mention that after a certain age your daily requirements of various factors such as your minerals, proteins, etc. doesn't get fulfilled, and you really need to input all that things into your body so that that requirement is maintained. So one of those factors is protein, and for vegetarians there are not more sources of protein available. So in today's video I'm going to talk about one such source of protein, again natural, no artificial things. And especially for women I'm going to talk more about it. So in today's video I'm going to talk about this product. So I have a NutraPay protein powder with me. Now this protein powder is a plant protein based protein powder, and it also has superfoods in it. Now I'm gonna explain all the things in detail, like what all it has and all, but before that I'm just gonna tell you the flavor. It's common chocolate, because flavor of protein powder is so important, because protein powder as such doesn't have that really nice taste that you'd love taking it. Whenever I have any protein powder, I definitely make sure it's either chocolate or it's berry. It's something tasty that you like to have. So yeah, I have the flavor government chocolate. Half of your things get sorted there. Okay, now I'm going to talk about the ingredients. So first of all, pea protein is the main ingredient of this protein powder. Most of the natural protein powder do have pea protein as the ingredient. Now yeah, before I tell you about this one, let me tell you this bottle also comes with this really cute shaker, and that's win-win situation, because you don't actually need to go and get a shaker, and without a shaker you can't have protein powder. Okay, come on, let's be frank. And this shaker also comes with this filter inside. I don't know if you can see, which almost all the shakers do have. So here you have the filter. Now I'm also going to tell you how to make this protein powder, because I have seen people not using the correct method of making the protein powder, and that completely breaks the entire flow of how the product has to be consumed. Okay, so yeah, there are many ways. We'll be talking about it later in the video. So first of all, let's discuss about what this protein powder would help you do. It would help you build your muscles, lose your fat. Also, as I mentioned, it has a lot of superfoods. It's just written here. It also has vitamins and minerals, and also it improves your digestion. So these are all the benefits that you have with this protein powder. Now just because I mentioned that this video especially for women doesn't mean only women can take this. It's also for men. Even men can take this. Is like no such gender related thing. So yeah, even men can consume this. And especially why I would recommend this is, instead of going for concentrated protein powders, go for plant-based protein powders, because they are more natural. So when you have natural sources available, why to go for artificial things? So now let's talk about when you can actually take this protein powder. So as such, there's no restriction regarding when you can have the protein powder, but they have mentioned some best timings. One is after waking up, before or after your gym. Then you can take this between your meals, and at last you can have it during your bedtime. So that is how the timings are when you can take this protein powder. Another thing is, yeah, I mentioned that I'll be telling you guys about how to make it. Okay, so first of all, whenever you are making a protein powder, make sure that you first use the liquid. Okay, for example, if you're taking protein powder with water, take your shaker, put the water, like you need around 250 to 300 ml of water if you're taking 1 scoop of protein powder. So put the liquid first and then add the protein powder to make sure that there are no lumps, because protein powder really gets combined quickly and a lot of lumps are formed. You might have noticed if you have ever taken any protein powder. Okay, so that was about how you can actually take your protein powder. Now comes the most important thing, is regarding superfoods and the protein content inside this. So if you're taking one scoop which has like 34 grams of protein powder, 24 grams of this has protein according to the quantity of protein inside this box. So this bottle right here I have is of 1 kg. You have different sizes available again. So yeah. Okay, I completely forgot to mention, I'm gonna leave the links in the description box below because I'm sure you guys might like this one, so you can check it out. Okay, okay, another good thing that I like about this product is it is sweetened with stevia. So if you're someone who is diabetic, you can still have this. It doesn't have sugar in it. Also another good thing is it's dairy free. So many of you might be lactose intolerant. I am not intolerant, but I actually cannot tolerate it. Yeah, so that is what it is. Also it's gluten free and it's vegan also. So if you're someone who's on a vegan diet, you can definitely go and have this. Other than that, I don't think I'm missing anything, but yeah, I mentioned that it helps you improve digestion. Now this has enzymes added in this. It has different enzyme, like it has protease enzyme which would help you in digestion. Okay, so that is why this is going to boost up your metabolism, and that is the reason why you're gonna lose fat. So that's the whole cycle that helps you lose your fat and helps in building your muscles. So that is why protein powders are important. So here I'm gonna tell you how I like to consume my protein powder. So here's the Nutrabe All Natural Protein Powder. So this is the shaker that comes along with the protein powder. So I'm gonna use that and I'm gonna fill 300 ml of water in it. Then I'm gonna take 1 scoop of protein. So this is how I'm gonna take it, and I'm gonna add it in the shaker. Now once that is done, you can just close your shaker and shake it really well to mix the protein powder and ensure no lumps are formed. Hi guys, so here I have my protein shake ready. So make sure that before you consume it, you have to shake it really well. And the good thing is it comes with a shaker, so you don't actually need to buy one. So now the only thing that you need to keep in mind is if excessive frothing occurs in this shaker, you can just pour all this mixture into a glass instead of a shaker. And now let's have the taste test. So yeah, the chocolate flavor is actually good and tastes really good. So I'm gonna finish this off. It's a lot and it's going to keep you full for so long. So I'm gonna finish this and I'll see you guys later. One more thing that I wanted to share with you guys is I'm gonna tell you a few ways how you can take protein powder, because I know a lot of you don't like having protein powder directly, like with water or with milk, because of the taste, or there can be any reason. Like if you don't like having protein directly, I have some ways through which you can take it and it's actually tasty. First option is you can make pancakes out of protein. Okay, you can use banana, milk, sugar if you want it, otherwise you can just leave it. You can add stevia again. If you have stevia powder, you can add that and add this protein powder. The taste of the pancakes will be like neutral, as jaisa pehle banta tha, same like that, minusing the flavor of your protein powder. Now the benefit of this is if you don't like consuming protein aise, you will actually have protein but pata bhi nahi chalega you have eaten protein. So that is one of the ways you can have. Another is you can make smoothie out of it. Again, you can add banana, apple, all the fruits that you like, gather it, add that milk and add protein powder in it. You can add more or less quantity as per your requirement. It's not necessary to consume one full scoop every day. Like have a little amount of protein powder even. It does make sense. So yeah, that is how you can have your protein powder if you actually don't like consuming it directly with water or milk. So yeah, that was all about today's video. I hope you guys would have enjoyed it. I hope it would be helpful to you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. All the links will be in the description box. Do not forget to check it out.